if you want to block ads on the Samsung A27 5G, you can actually do this simply by opening the Samsung browser. Now click on the three dots in the right bottom corner and simply go for ad blockers or add-ons. Doesn't actually matter because you can go for the ad blockers here. Now we can find a list of all available ad blockers. So let's say if you want to get this one, Crystal, for a Samsung browser, you will have to just pick it up. You have to click on it, simply install, wait for a downloading process, just a few moments. And after a few seconds, we will be able to actually use this one. Now we can just simply open this one. We have to just go forward. Now click to open Samsung browser. And here, click on this one, Crystal for a Samsung browser. Now it's enabled and you should actually get any ads. If you have, then you should actually install the new blocker and test it.